In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PandaDoc, demo for free trial users. If you're new to PandaDoc, this quick walkthrough will show you how to get started with a free trial and reach the main place where you can begin creating or importing documents for eSignature. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused, so you know exactly what to click and what to expect. First, open your web browser and go to www.pandadoc.com. Type the address directly into your browser's address bar to make sure you land on the official site. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so the next step is easy to spot. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click the button labeled Start a Trial. It's typically highlighted to stand out on the page, and it takes you straight into the sign-up flow. This is your entry point into PandaDoc's free experience. You'll now start your 14-day free trial. You can do this in one of two ways. Either enter your work email or connect a Google account or a LinkedIn account. Using a work email is a good idea if you want your future documents and notifications to align with your organization. If you prefer speed and simplicity, connecting with Google or LinkedIn lets you sign in using an account you already use. Choose whichever option fits your workflow best. After you complete that sign-in, you'll be taken directly to the PandaDoc dashboard. This is your main hub. Think of it as your command center for document creation and management. Everything you need to get documents out for eSignature starts here. From the dashboard, you can immediately begin creating new documents or importing existing ones to be signed. If you're starting from scratch, creating a document lets you build it inside PandaDoc so it's ready to send out. If you already have a file prepared elsewhere, importing it is a fast way to move it into PandaDoc and get it signed without rebuilding anything. Choose the approach that best matches your situation, either creating or importing, so you can move forward quickly. And that's it. You've reached the point where you can start working with documents inside PandaDoc during your free trial. To recap, you went to pandadoc.com, clicked Start a Trial, chose to begin your 14-day trial with a work email or by connecting Google or LinkedIn, and then arrived at the dashboard where you can create or import documents to be signed. You're ready to explore and put PandaDoc to work.